How to download and install Webex Meetings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly download and install Webex Meeting. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store on your phone. And here once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here simply tap on the search bar and simply search for Webex Meetings. Now here in this page, you simply need to tap on the Webex meeting. And here once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the install button. Now you just have to wait for some time for the installation to complete. And once the installation is complete, you simply need to tap on open to launch the app. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.